Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a tutorial on the Eggy party games like this. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to follow the instruction like this. You can scroll or swipe onto the left and right, and then the computer will explain the game for you guys like this. Okay, and then all you need to do is you need to read and watch the instruction like this. If you want to skip, you can simply tap the screen. Okay, and this is the moving joystick on the below left like this, and here is the jump button on the right below like this, and then you can also follow the more instruction. Okay, and not get fall like that. Okay, the combo like that. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.